Here's a 2013 Chevrolet Avalanche. Chevrolet, 100 years of icons. It comes with all the amenities you need. External memory control, power heated mirrors, dual zone climate control, driver and passenger front and seat mounted airbags, smartphone wireless charging, power adjustable pedals, V8 engine, running boards, four-wheel anti-lock disc brakes, and automatic transmission. If you've been waiting for the perfect time for a test drive, the time is now. Experience it today.
Choose Sheboygan Auto. We're conveniently located at 3400 South Business Drive or at 2701 Washington Avenue in Sheboygan, Wisconsin. SheboyganAutos.com.